This is the heat welder. We apply the rod into the nozzle, like so. The heat comes out here. We follow the line of the weld, and this is the tool that creates the welds on the back and on the top. The next tool is a biscuit jointer. This is used for doing the mitre joints in the corners and the infills. It's a very simple device. You press it, the blade comes out, retract it, the blade goes in. To go with this tool, we need a jig. Now a jig can be made very simply as this one is, or you can have one specially made in aluminium or other materials. The job is placed in a position with lines that give us an indication to where it needs to be. Centre it with the groove. Simply insert the cutter, press down and slide. Simple. On the back we have attached some grit sandpaper. This prevents sliding on the surface when we're using the tool. The next tool in our list is a basic heat gun. This is used to soften the material for cutting and for doing some intricate work and shaping. There are different sizes of models and functions, but a basic one will do the job. It just needs to heat the material gently. Another tool that we need in our arsenal is a belt sander. This we can use to sand the material on the back and the surface to create a textured finish to give the look of real wood. This is a particularly good model. It has an adjustable speed, which is important so we don't burn the material. Right, the basic hand tools that we need for doing this job. We need a tape measure, we need a pen or pencil, a square for marking, a compass for doing radius. Then we need cutting tools. Basically three. This we use for cutting the single plank, the margin to length. We then need a straight edge. This particular one is very useful. It is a safety edge, so when you place it on, it's only touching in 2 points. Very difficult to slip. Stops you cutting your hands basically. The knife, a good quality knife, rigid, strong. I prefer the solid ones without the retraction, much safer. One that's easy to change the blade and quick. We then have the 1/4 moon knife, which we use for trimming the top of the weld. We have this, which is for grooving when we do the back weld. We then have sanding block and sandpaper, and a brush for sweeping and getting rid of the surplus on the top when we've sanded. These are the basic hand tools that we need for making the mats.